Chapter 21 of The Sound of Light has this as its title: God will carry any load we place into the divine hands. God is like a friend with a pickup truck on moving day. Not only does the one who made you show up to help, but God will also help you with the appliances, the piano, and any other heavy item you cannot carry yourself. What's more, God is a cheerful helper, beloved. The one who loves you pulls up with a tray of drinks and a smile. Humans have given God a bad rap since time out of mind. No, the one who is always with you is not a grievance-filled grump who says, "You got yourself into this mess, you can get yourself out of it." Or words like, "Why should I care when you keep making the same mistakes over and over again?" Yes, God is fully aware of our missteps, mistakes, and misdeeds. God knows our refusal to see the beauty and worthiness in ourselves and others exactly as God created us. But there is no more gracious helper in existence than God. God remembers our humanity. God recognizes our frailty. With a grace so lavish and a heart so hooked on goodness and love, God understands our weaknesses. God forgives our stubborn attachments to cages and confinements we lock ourselves in. Cages like refusing to forgive, taking for granted life's blessings, or cutting ourselves off from what life is truly about: love and connection. When we flog ourselves for these failures and labor under the lavish of limitations, whether forced upon us or embraced by us, God shows us how to eliminate these heavy burdens we were never meant to carry. God instructs you to just drop it all right now. Forgive yourself. Forgive those who have wronged you, both the living and those who have gone before. Remember the good of others, the good you have done, and be blessed in your abounding gratitude. It's time to turn over to the one who knows all the weighty boxes you have carried for so long. Be assured that God will carry even the good you can no longer hold on to. All you have to say is, take it. It's yours. You are God's child. Isn't that incredible? You are cared for and loved. Those you care for and love are also held in the arms of God. Let God have them all. God will honor your trust. No burden is too heavy and no box is too small. All that's left to do is receive the love of the one who loves you, the one who wants to carry your load, dear friend. Beloved, beloved, beloved.